Today we will be studying about places where computers are used. Yes, this is a picture of computer, and tell me the places where you have seen computers. Yes, let's discuss one by one where computers are used. First, offices. Here you can see the picture of office in which many persons are working on computers, and these persons are called employers. So students, now let us see why computers are used in offices. Computers are used for typing and printing documents in offices. Here you can see employer is typing document and the printer is printing documents. So in offices computers are used for typing and printing documents. Computers are also used in offices for sending mails. Do you know about mail in computer? When we send message from one computer to another, this is called email. Here you can see message is going from one computer to another. It is called email. So in offices, computers are also used for sending mails. Mails means message sent from one computer to another. Now computers are also used in banks. Computers are used for maintaining the accounts of customers. What is bank, students? Bank is a place where you can deposit and withdraw your money. Here you can see this is a picture of bank, and banks are used for maintaining the accounts of customers. You can deposit your money, you can withdraw your money in banks. Computers helps you to withdraw money from ATM. ATM is a machine. ATM stands for automatic teller machine. Here you can see picture of ATM where when you want to take out your money, you have to put pin, and then money comes out from the ATM. Next is schools. Computers are used in computer lab for teaching purpose. Students learn how to use computer. Yes, this is a picture of computer lab in which so many computers are used, and students learn how to use computer. They can do painting. They can use many softwares. In schools, computers are also used for teaching and learning purpose. Here you can see a teacher is teaching students through computers. Computers are used in library to maintain the record of books. Here you can see this is a picture of library in which librarian is giving books to students, and she is maintaining the record in computer. Now next, airport and railway station. The computer helps in reservation and cancellation of tickets for passengers. If you want to go somewhere through aeroplane, first you have to do reservation of ticket. It is all done through computer. Similarly in railway station. Next is hospital. Computer helps a doctor in diagnosing many diseases and also helps in preparing medical report. Here you can see picture of hospital in which a doctor is treating patient and try to diagnose the disease through computer. He can also prepare medical report of the patient through the computer. Now next is home. What you can do in home through computer? You can watch movies, you can do your homework, you can write letters, and you can play games.